Activist Segalinks promised to embark on peace walk with the Lagos State Governor. Let's check out the story. A member of the Lagos State Judicial Panel, Segun Awosanya, better known as Segalinks, has expressed readiness to join Lagos State Governor Mr. Sanwo-Olu in the proposed peace walk if available. On Tuesday, Sanwo-Olu called on youth, civil society, organizations, and other stakeholders to attend a peace walk to herald the healing of the state. The governor specifically invited Fowles, Mr. Macaroni, Segalinks, Just Adetoun, amongst others, for the walk. Reacting to the invite in an interview, the activist said if he joins the governor on the peace walk, it does not mean he will stop criticizing the government. According to him, because I am an advocate for peace, justice, equity, and fairness, I will work with anybody who wants peace. There are no absolutes. I may agree with some people on certain things, does not mean I am in alignment with them. So, if I work with the governor today, it does not stop me from criticizing the governor the next day. He further wrote on Twitter, "For the record, I am nobody's hero or villain. I am just a random, ordinary citizen known by name and action that influence and impact the society. From my personal space, the essence of which is driven to make you identify your own life journey in purpose. I am not a celebrity. I don't need anyone to approve my action and don't feed on the accolades or get tossed by the tantrums of the mob. I won't do as you pleased or be forced to do your will. I don't feed off your likes and retweets, and you have no control over my life choices. I live by my own rules." Well, it feels like Segalinks' mind is made up. But then, let's see how other people will react to this, as Segalinks is not the only one that's committed to work with the governor. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.